Hey everyone, just a real quick update what's going on in our area. We are under tornado watch. This is strange for this time of year. So this is in effect for all of Tampa Bay area, Hillsborough, Pinellas, Polk, Hernando, Pasco, pretty much all of West Central Florida. So if you're in these areas, please be mindful of what's going on around you. I'm going to attach a photo at the beginning and the end of this video so you can see what areas are being affected. The weather is very hinky right now, so please be careful, okay? The tornado watch is until 7 a.m. So get your blackout buckets together, get everything ready, your candles and everything else. Make sure all of your preps are together, you know where everything is, and hunker down. If you feel the need to bug out, go right ahead, but with this kind of a situation, I don't even think there is a place to bug out. I really don't. So stay inside. Stay inside. All right. That's all for now. I love you. Stay safe. Stay inside. I'll see you tomorrow.